What's up, motorbeards? Welcome back to another video. This is gonna be a video that's gonna be a little bit quicker. Today I'm actually very excited to guys tell you that I got brand new tires from Metzeler ME888 Marathon Ultra tires. The special thing about it's gonna be a different look this time. These tires are white wall tires, and I'm actually gonna show it to you guys in a minute. As you can see from my video in the desert, where did all the burnouts and etc. It was all in preparation because I already knew that the profile was already through, and I already had the order placed for these tires. And as you can see, the Michelin Commander tire, I had them now on for over 7,000 miles. Very hard riding, and if I wouldn't have abused that tire, I'm sure it probably would have lasted 1,000 or 2,000 miles longer, but that is alright. And let's check out the front one, which is still the stock from factory, which is also done. So this tire is about 12,000 miles old now, because in the back I already have my second one, and as you can see, there's not much left, and we can actually feel it. This bike starts wobbling now in turns when you have a little bit speed on. So it's very I would say uncomfortable and of course dangerous as well. So this is why I decided to change them right away, 2 at once. I mean, this is the most important contact, the bike to the ground. So why trying to be cheap or delaying the process? Just do it right away. Let's see that the tire's not good anymore, just change it, You only live once. Guys, I'm very excited to show you these tires. I was looking around for a long time, and I made up my mind and decided to go with the Metzeler. I still have the front tire stock from factory, and the back tire, the rear tire, is from Michelin. So I was looking for something else, for a different design. As you can see, right now you can see it's all blue, but I figured out this is just like a little protection layer. As you can see, I try to remove it, so a little bit of water. So don't worry about that. So it's not going to be black and blue, so I'm not going to go for that look. But these are white wall tires from Metzeler. So these are Metzeler ME888 Marathon Ultra tires, and these are the version white wall. So you can also get black walls, but I choose to go with something else. So I was looking online, I saw a picture of a 2020 street walk with Metzeler white wall tires, these exact one. And I love the way it looked. So let's take a look on these tires, and I'll let you know how I like them. So my first impression when I unboxed them, they came pretty good, solid wrapped. You can't see it anymore. I will add some additional footage, and honestly, they look pretty solid, and it looked like they will grip pretty well. I don't know much, I couldn't find much about how long they're gonna last, but I'm assuming that I'm sure they can beat the stock tires and do at least 5,000 to 6,000 miles as well, with medium to hard riding. So we're gonna find out in the future how long they're gonna last. I'm gonna always keep you updated on that one. The most thing I'm excited about is the looks. So next week, I have an appointment in a few days for my 10K service as well, and also I'm gonna change my tire front and rear. And I'm actually super excited for it. First of all, try something new out, different look, and also gonna see if they're stickier than the Michelin Commanders. So definitely gonna keep you guys posted on that as well. So I purchased these tires from Dennis Kirk. Depending on the tire, they're discounted up to 51% off. So my specific one of them was 34% off, and the front tire was 34% off, so it came out of a total of $126.66, where the MSRP is $192.38. And for the rear tire, I got 30% off, where the MSRP is $265, and I purchased the tire for $186. So I think I got a decent deal. Metzeler, they're very long in the game and they know what they're doing, so I'm hoping that I can rely on that reputation and see if I can get some good, sticky, and decent amount lasting tires. I'm very excited to actually put them on my bike, and also I will keep you guys posted with some pictures, or actually also a follow-up future video. Obviously you're gonna see them in my future videos. So once I install them on my bike, I will do a follow-up video with first ride and actually keep you posted and let you know how I feel about the tires. They're sticking out. I mean, obviously there's a breaking in period in the beginning, so I have to take it easy. But once I'm done with the breaking in period, I will definitely give you like a first review on it. So let's take a closer look on the tires. Alright, let's take a look on the rear tire first. So as you can see, I mean, it has a pretty decent profile, pretty good like deep little places where the water, like if it's rainy, it can like drop away. So for everybody with a 2020 or with an 18 to 2020 street buff, I mean for sure the rear tire is going to be a 150/80 B16. So and the tire is called Metzeler ME888 Marathon Ultra tires. I'm sure it will probably fit other bikes as well, but I didn't actually look into it, so I can't give you any advice on that. But on the street bump, for sure this will fit. Honestly, the first impression is, I mean, I'm very like excited. That's why I really wanted to show you guys these tires. So I can't wait to have them on my bike. Let's check out the front tire. So as you can see, the front tire obviously is not going to be as thick as the rear tire on the street bump. So this one has a size of 190 by 19. It has a bigger wheel in the front, but it's a thinner tire. So same as on the rear tire. I mean, good profile, looks pretty sticky, and actually it feels, I mean, I would say it's a medium soft or medium hard tire. So it will probably be like in between. So it's a perfect mix between long lasting tire and the most grip you can get. I will confirm once I put them on and take you on the first ride with these tires. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, because a little bit of support can't hurt. I really appreciate it, guys. So far, I'm actually really like grateful that you guys are supporting my channel, and I'm looking forward to many more videos like that. So until the next video, see you then, okay?